If you've been scrolling online and stumbled upon peak-footwear.com single quotes as ads claiming to sell ergonomic, barefoot style shoes that are non-slip and posture friendly, you might be tempted to grab a pair after all. The idea of comfortable, healthy footwear at an affordable price sounds like a dream. But here's the thing, when a store pops up out of nowhere and starts promising life-changing products, I like to look past the marketing and dig into what's really going on. So I did some research, and right off the bat, I found that the domain for peak-footwear.com is brand new, which isn't automatically bad, but it does raise eyebrows when you're trusting them with your money. Their listed business address also doesn't seem to line up properly. It either leads to vague, unrelated locations or gives no solid confirmation of a physical store, which isn't exactly reassuring. Then there's the product photos. After running a reverse image search, I found the exact same images being used on multiple other websites, some of which sell completely different brands, suggesting these might not be original at all. On top of that, they have zero meaningful social media presence, no Instagram community, no Facebook activity, nothing which is unusual for a modern retail brand, especially in the footwear niche where visual marketing is key. And when I checked Trustpilot, the reviews were all over the place. Some people claimed they got their orders and were happy, while others complained about slow shipping, poor quality, or even not receiving anything at all. With so many mixed signals, peak-footwear.com isn't a store I can call a total scam, but it's definitely not one I'd trust without a second thought, and if you're thinking about buying from them, you might want to weigh the risks carefully before clicking add to cart.